Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the scene and immediate assets so you can script without interruption. Open Roblox Studio, enable Explorer and Properties, then add a screen GUI with a frame and a text button named Switch Button. This gives you a visible control. Create a bool value called is_on under the player or within the GUI to track state. This simplifies syncing visuals and logic. Once done, position and style the button so it's on /off visuals are clear, because readable feedback prevents confusion when you add scripting. You now implement the core toggle behavior and why each part matters. In a local script inside the switch button, connect mouse button one click to flip the is_on bool value and immediately update the button text and color for instant feedback. This keeps the UI responsive. If the switch must affect the game world, fire a remote event to a server script that validates and applies changes. This separation preserves security and consistency across clients. Make sure to debounce clicks to avoid rapid toggles causing. You finish by connecting client actions to server authority and verifying replication. On the server, listen for the remote event, validate the requester, then update a server-side bool value or replicate the change to all clients so everyone sees the same switch state. Test and play solo and in a start server/start player session to confirm replication. If things go wrong, check that remote events are fired correctly and that debounce and permission checks aren't preventing updates. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.